Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share your 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. So we have the cardstock add-on, the pattern paper, and embellishment add-on. This is a great way to have your kits go even further. You can also check out our Shots of Life kit because it coordinates as well and it can give you more pattern paper and embellishment. So I'll have a link at the end to check those out. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these add-ons. The first add-on we're going to look at is the cardstock add-on. So with the cardstock add-on, you're going to get 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the collections. You'll get 2 of one color and 1 of the other. So this is great if you want double page layouts, so you can have matching backgrounds. So starting with 49th and Market, your cardstock's going to be 2 sheets of Coastal and 1 sheet of Tutu Pink. For the Echo Park, it's Springtime. You're going to get 2 sheets of Wisteria and 1 sheet of Star Mist. For the photoplay paper, Showers and Flowers, you're going to get 2 sheets of Cricket, this great limey green, and a sheet of Yellow Corn. For the Spring Vibes collection, from Pink Fresh Studios, you're going to get 2 sheets of Guacamole and a sheet of Mustard. So you can see how well those cardstocks match the pattern papers. Next up, we're going to take a look at the pattern paper add-on, and with it you get 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So starting with 49th and Market, you're going to get this paper called The Resting Garden. Beautiful blue with the florals. The back is this plaid design. Have this paper, it says the pink, again ledgers, florals, distressings, just gorgeous, those full branding strips. And this one is called Genuine Calm. Beautiful, I just love the colors in that. Echo Park, it's Springtime. Let's see if I can get these apart. I have this beautiful floral back, kind of a corally pink. That paper's called Blissful Branches. We have another floral, looks like wildflowers to me. The back is a striped. This one's called Pretty Picks. And then Showers and Flowers from Play Paper is Puddle Jumper, which has the rain boots, umbrellas, and the raincoats. The back is a raindrop pattern. And then this pattern's in the garden, so we have all of the garden tools and gloves. The back is a red gingham print with a little heart in the center. From Pink Fresh Studio Spring Vibes, I have a gorgeous floral on pink. This paper is called Daisies. The back is a gingham in the green. This paper called Perfect Day, which is just a mixed media paint brush strokes on it in the different colors. And then a geometric design in that gold and pink. Again, just beautiful colors in these collections. So one more look at all of the gorgeous pattern papers. For your embellishments, you're going to get more embellishments for each one of the 4 collections. So 49th and Market, you're going to get these. Let me put it this way. So this gorgeous kind of punch out. So we have a window, heart buttons, we have some words, lovely florals, and some little phrases there. So lots of embellishments there. For Echo Park, it's Springtime. You're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a scalloped border in the plaid. Word labels down here. We have the little boy and girl gnome and the birds, all of the gardening tools, bicycle, just gorgeous. For photoplay paper, Showers and Flowers, you're going to get half a pack of the embellishment. So these are those, the little die cuts that will punch out. Frames and words and phrases. So many cute icons. And then Pink Fresh Spring Vibes, you're going to get half a pack of the puffy alphabet stickers, which I love these because they're small and they're puffy, and you get lots and lots of letters. Just look how many you get. So you can do lots of titles with that. So one more look at the 3 add-ons available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. Be sure to join us over on the Facebook group and the blog and join in some challenges. Show us what you're working on and see what everybody else is doing. We have lots going on over there. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.